Hi sir, how can I help you?
Actually, I'm using this Sony Xperia Z1 now.
Really, that's a very good phone, sir.
I want to change this phone. Actually, Samsung released one S6 or something.
Yeah.
You know, look like.
S6 sir. So, like you can see, there are two phones displayed, S6 and S6 Edge. This is the Edge one and this is the normal black one. So, which one would you like to see, sir?
Actually, this phone is good. Can you explain about this, please?
Yeah. So, beautiful phone, sir. So, like you said, you're using already Sony. So, what are the features you use in this and what you want more in this phone, sir?
Actually, Sony mobile having 20 megapixel camera.
Okay.
But in this photo, it's not clear.
Okay.
And RAM also its processor also it's very slow.
Okay.
I'm using Lollipop
Okay.
5.1 something version.
Okay.
See for example, if I look at this, yeah, see this much some microseconds.
Okay.
So I want to processor speed and
Upgrade your phone
look
for
like,
to have better photos on
yes,
this.
Anyway,
Just have a look at this device, sir. This
yeah, it's
design
good.
of-
It's amazing. Actually, I saw in.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you've already seen the device.
Yes. Yeah.
So like, so can you please open the camera in your phone, sir? So this kind of opening your camera and taking a picture. I have already captured your pictures.
Wow. It's very nice.
Isn't it amazing?
Yeah, it's very amazing.
So you want to know how it got launched so soon, the camera and all? It just you unlock your phone, all those things, and then go to camera, open the camera. But in this S6, if the camera is, phone is locked also, this has the next level camera. If you just double tap here, camera gets open. So it don't even take 1 second of time. It will just 0.07 second. So this is one thing amazing about this beautiful Galaxy S6. And then next thing is, can you please open the camera in your phone? Rear camera, please. So just hold it. So HDR is on, whereas in this phone I don't think HDR is available. So you can see difference. So it looks kind of dark from the stairs and all. Whereas,
Color also is
yeah. So this is because of this HDR. So this gives you, like example, there is no light and all here. So it gives you darker pictures. When you on this HDR, I'll give you one best example. Let me just take near to hills. So there is a sunrise, or you can take somewhere near beach also. So you must have traveled with your friends and all. So when you take a picture, you will not be identified who is that person standing. So usually it comes like that. We cannot know only who is that person and how and all. So with the help of this HDR, when you take pics, it gives you natural pics.
Okay.
So what you see is what you get. So you can easily identify who is standing, all those things. And then it has a f1.9 aperture. That means in low light conditions, like example, you celebrate somebody's birthday party. So at that moment, we off the lights, everything, and then we take a picture. So in that low light conditions also, you can have beautiful pics in this Galaxy S6. And then it has something like virtual tour shot. So do you like any bike or car, anything, sir?
Yeah, I have charisma.
Okay.
I like bike racing and bikes.
Okay. So if you want to take a pic in your bike, how do you take it, sir? Standing from other sides and taking pic from everything, no? But this has an amazing option, that is virtual tour shot. So like example, I'll just start capturing here. So you need to just move it to 180 degrees or so. So, usually what you do, you stand in, when you see some new bike, you stand here and capture all the things. But in this virtual shot, you don't have to take pics from different angles. This is called virtual tour shot.
Wow. It's very clear, yeah?
Yeah, exactly. So this is how. So and it looks very amazing. See, if you just tilt the phone, so example, you are standing here in front of the bike. So if you just tilt here, it keeps moving. So this is one thing about camera. So since you want to have more options in camera, this is about camera and all. And then it has an optical image stabilizer. That means when we take selfies from the cameras and all, so our hand and all gets shaky. So with the help of optical image stabilizer, you will have a blur-free pictures. So that's what about cameras. And then more than that, this is a beautiful design set which comes with a Gorilla Glass in the front and the back. So you
Back
can just
also?
see. Yeah, back also. So this is the toughest glass. So might be other phones are having Gorilla Glass 3. So this is 2 times better than Gorilla Glass 3. So because it's a Gorilla Glass 4 which is first time used in Galaxy S6 new device. So this is the toughest glass. So and it is scratch resistant also. Example, you have some coins or some keys and all in your pocket, it don't get scratched so easily. So that's about the phone. And this metal, what you can see, it's used in fighter planes. So this is the toughest metal, which is 1.5 times better than other metal. So it's a very tough phone. You know, by mistake if it falls from your hand also, there are very less chances to break. So that's about the design, and it has a reflective glass also in this, which is placed under this glass. So if you can just hold it somewhere near your light, so can you see these rainbow colors?
Yeah.
So when there is a strong lighting happening, so you'll be able to, people when you hold and talk with you, those people will be able to see these reflective colors. So that's about the design, sir. And then, pause. So this is about the design, sir. How did you like the design, sir?
Yeah, it's actually.
Actually, it's really beautiful. It's really cool and amazing design, which no phone in the world is having like this, where it has a Gorilla Glass phone. Like I said, it's very tough and it don't break so easily. I will not say it is unbreakable, but it won't break so easily. So that's about that. And like you said in your Sony phone, you're facing some problems. So how many minutes or hours it will take to charge?
Charging?
Charging.
Charging. Extra battery backup also is not good.
So I'm just asking generally, how many hours will it take to charge your phone?
No, I don't know.
If you
Actually,
charge for
1 or
10
2
minutes.
hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, whatever. While I think
Means that's one. So if you charge for 10 minutes, how much your phone might come out? 1 or 2 points. That means not even 1 hour, half an hour. But this phone comes with a next level supercharging. If you just charge this phone, you will not believe it. You can use it for 4 hours.
4 hours?
Yeah.
Oh.
So that's what I'm saying, no excitement, I'm telling you can use this for 4 hours. So that's really good about this phone. And then it has a wireless built-in charger. When you usually go to home, example, so as you stay with family or separate?
No, I am bachelor.
You're
Still new bachelor.
Okay. So when you go, you should find where is the charger, all those things kept. So this is very easy. Come, I'll show you the wireless charger also. So once you walk into home, if you know where the port is connected, you just need to place your phone like this. So it gets charged. Isn't it amazing? You don't have to worry where is the plugging in all the time. So if you just place your phone, so this is the new additional thing which has come to Samsung Galaxy S6. If you just place the phone on this wireless built-in charger, it automatically charges. So that's about the thing. And then what is the PPI in your phone? So display, it's an AMOLED or
No, actually I don't know about that because
Okay.
of some Sony people said HD like that.
okay.
But
So I'll just show you some video on this. Just experience the video. So I'll just show you this video.
but anyway, this phone is nice.
Just have a look at the videos. So, pause karo.
Okay.
Sorry sir for not having a proper look at the video. So I'll show you the video in another phone. can see the clarity of the video. It comes with an 5.1 Quad HD Super AMOLED. That means you can have 4 times better quality than AMOLED display. So if you just pinch to zoom, you will be able to identify a particular identity also in this video. So that's one of the best part of this. And not only this, but apart from this, this phone comes with an like higher security. What do you do for your phone? So you lock the password that pattern or
Yeah, especially I have pattern.
okay. So I would say, you know, if you want to have something better than this for the security, this is one of the best phone. You know, you can lock this phone with the swiping your finger. So you can register your 3 fingers. Nobody will be able to, you know, view any content. You know, whereas in your pattern.
Show me once.
Actually, it's a demo phone. I will not be able to show it. It's just like once you take a device, I'll be able to show it to you. 3 times in the sense, there will be 9 times it asks for the password. So 3 times this finger, whichever you're comfortable with that, you can do it. So this phone is like nobody can access until you swipe it from your own finger. So whereas in pattern, when you unlock, somebody standing behind you, or if you're sitting in a sofa also, they can see easily what is your password and they can unlock.
Exactly.
But they cannot have the same finger what you're having. So this is a very secure phone, and then it has does your phone hang? All those things you will find it's very slow. All those things.
Sorry?
Does your phone hang, or you feel, you know, it's
It's very
slow, and sometimes when files are open mode, you need to go individually to one by one and then it off. But with this, it has an inbuilt smart manager, but you know, it has an antivirus, lifetime free, and if there are any applications open unnecessarily, it closes immediately. So this will boost your phone and it gives you more power to perform everything. This is about this 6, and then we have accessories like this back case, flip covers, all those things. So which one would you like to prefer, sir? We have this kind of glass back case also.
This one is
Which one, sir? This one. Actually, this view one is for this one, flat one. These are all edge, but in edge also you'll get of this quality. You will get it.
okay, this is also good. And okay, how many colors do you have in this phone? You have gold color,
Yeah, that's platinum gold.
platinum gold.
Yeah, we have.
May I know
colors.
price? What is the price?
Price for this is would you like to go for 32 GB? or 64 GB?
32 GB now.
Actually, you have walked in at a very good time. Price for this one is 48,400 rupees.
48,400.
Yeah, but there's an amazing offer. You'll be getting 6,500 minus from that. So that's the scheme what we are offering you. So at the end, your final price will be 41,900 rupees.
Okay, 41,900.
900 rupees. Isn't it amazing that 48,400 and 41,900 makes a lot of difference, no? So would you like to pay by card or by cash? First of all, did you like the device?
Yeah. Especially this phone is very nice.
Colors
I'm also
like you
looking
asked.
for like this phone. Okay.
White is there, this black sapphire is there, and then we have platinum gold. What you like? Which one would you like to use?
No, especially it's this
Platinum gold?
Yeah, platinum gold.
So you go for platinum gold. How is your paying mode? You want to pay by card, by cash?
No, card.
Card.
Yeah, ICICI
Credit card. So we have 6 months, 12 months EMI also. That's free. There's no processing fee, no interest. And additional to that,
The cashback offer also.
no, already I have given you minus from that.
6,000 also.
6,500 rupees. With that, you'll be amazed to see that you'll be getting this wireless charger also free.
Oh, wireless charge also.
Yes, sir.
Nice. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. So time is over. Tomorrow I will come and I will come. Okay, if you want, you can take my number. Tomorrow I will come.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Morning.
No problem.
At morning, what time it?
Our shop is open by 10:30 a.m. sir.
10:30.
Yes, sir.
So 10:30, 11:30.
Yeah, sure. Pause.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
I have this HDFC credit card. In this credit card, you can purchase now.
Yeah, you can.
HDFC credit card.
So you want to buy it now also?
Yeah.
So I really thought you'll definitely buy this phone. So
Yeah, especially-
I have another offer, like we have something called Blue Fest, which is started from 28th to 28th to June. That means so any physical liquid damage you will have if you can claim it. It is under 1 year warranty. Of this, we have a deal with the Abs Diary, so I'll register all those things. So since you're buying now, I'll give you this offer as well. So,
Okay, ma'am.
I'll give you that. But,
Yeah.
So this is your device. So really glad that you have purchased a Samsung Galaxy S6. I hope you'll enjoy the device.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.